Guys, Jillian's here, and for this video, we're going to play with Elise. Elise, introduce yourself.
What?
Introduce yourself, bruh. Bro,
Well, I'm not.
bro, please. Everyone needs to know you, bruh. Hurry up.
Okay, but I'm not face revealing today.
Okay, guys,
Because I'm
subscribe to Elise Cantara on the YouTube channel. I'll send you the link later. Okay, Elise, what do you want to play? How about
Don't.
let's play MM2.
Okay.
Okay, join me. If you don't join me, I
Okay.
will kill you in MM2.
Wow.
So guys, this is a collab. This is my classmate also. She didn't tell me that she have a YouTube channel, by the way.
Bro, I'm not Michael Jackson, okay? I don't have any Robux.
Look. Oh, I have Robux, but I spent it all.
Yeah, now.
I'm so.
I
Why,
know.
why are you tall, bro? Why
Yeah,
are
I like big girl. But bro, okay, then, brother.
what? Why is your skin look like that?
I like it.
What? Are you dark? Dark skin? What?
Bro, do you have headless? Bro,
What?
you can. We have black head.
It's black. It's my avatar.
Someone has. Ooh. Someone looks like you right here.
What do you mean?
Bro, you have so many avatar.
What are you saying, bruh? Wait.
Bro, what you da? Yeah, I have another one too, but
Okay.
I
Let me
didn't.
see. Let me see.
I just see. Now bro, let me trade with you. Give me some. This
Okay. Where are you? Okay, let me trade. Where are you? Okay. Let's trade.
one.
I'm gonna give you some weapons that I don't
Okay.
need. Trade. Okay. I think I don't need the wavy. These strawberries also. I'm just gonna do this.
No. Iya, bakit? Kaklase mo ba to? Ha? Bakit? Sino ba yan? Ito, si Jillian. Jillian na? Jillian!
Bro. What?
Then,
Okay.
pwede na.
English nga kayo.
Tingnan na.
Bruh.
Who's murder? I love joking.
Bruh. Okay. Watch out for the murder. Watch out for the murder. Gonna kill you.
Oh, I'm some Bundy.
What's the murder? Let's go! Let's go! Yay! Go! Let's go! Oh,
Now, what am I gonna get?
what happened to your B, bro? Okay, I was two. Okay.
Follow me. There's a secret here.
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah. Oh, somebody.
Have a big ice cream.
Get out! Get out! Yeah, get out! Yeah, get out! Not you! Not. Ooh. Where am
You're
I?
innocent.
I'm sheriff.
Oh, dice. Okay, you gotta shoot the murder, not the innocent.
I'm here. Get
Hell,
out.
someone's following me, bro. Yo, what? What? Bro, what?
Guys, Lepo. Bro, Dai, why you join me? Let's go. Not you, my sister. You know. Makulit one, the makulit one. Aray. Na born. Hoy, lumabas ka dyan, hindi ka pupunta dito. Joke lang. Ikaw, papasok na nga ako. Ito na.
Natrap ko siya.
Galing. Gusto niya. Sharing niya, nag-set mo.
Ay, wait lang.
Wala.
Let's go. Yo, Sheriff.
You murder.
What? Murder ka?
No! I thought my kapatid makulit is murder.
Lol.
I'm suspect. Yes! You know! Ilis ka.
Ama,
Bro, literally yun eh.
ama Sheriff.
Get out! Oh no! I killed that one. Bro, I'm spectating the mood.
Yo, bro, good luck.
Dad! It's right over here.
Where is the murder?
Here! It's pumpkin! Alright, that's one. This is the one. Hurry up! It's... Wait!
Ah!
Why are you talking
It sucks. Tumatago ka. Ang bagay mo.
Brother, I'm gonna report this. Wait. Report mo siya.
Bro!
6, 7, 6,
Huwag kayo mag-shoot!
Lagi.
Okay, finally. Bro, my aim sucks.
Bro, you're eating an ice cream. Can I have some?
No. That's why ice cream. Yeah.
Die. Ripo. Ice cream. Hurry up, loading. You laugh.
Bro. Bro. Ben. Oh.
Lam tolo kaya. Let Jillian come in. Let Jillian come home. No, she not coming in. No.
Yo, innocent.
Ako rin. Why still?
What? You sheriff or murder?
Yeah, I just tried. Come here, where did you go? Because I am patrol. Bro!
Yo!
Ada?
I just got killed. Guys, this is the murder. Okay, this is the murder, guys. And I'm gonna watch my...
Marunong.
Abong, hindi marunong. Oops.
Sorry pa.
Yo, she's...
Ganda sa mga rin.
Okay, I think she's good. Wow! You put that flowers to... Shout out to ASFHJ. Shout out to ASFHJ6767. And shout out to Elise Cantara. And shout out to Elise siblings or cousins. Shout out to
Wag mo yan papasukin. Hindi ko yan papalabasin. You want to go? No.
Oy! Alis ka dyan! Bro, tangina. I'm sorry.
Why you murder?
Cheryl.
Run. Yeah, I'm running. Quick, Eric. Let's
Wake up.
team, Jillian. Let's team. Brother. No, not yet. Baka namatay. Namatay ba yung Sarah Jen? No. Hindi namatay. Hindi mo naging Sarah. Ito.
Mhm. That's
Right over here. Going outside. No, don't go there. Go. Oh. Don't go to the second floor. She's going to the second floor.
yo. Let's go. Yes. I love murder.
Bra, why am I standing there?
Meow 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 meow.
Meow.
Let me experience the language.
Wait.
Wait,
What are you doing?
wait. Let me.
Some.
I want I think Japanese. What
You
happened?
know Japanese?
Yo,
You know Japanese?
no,
Then why is it Japanese? Give me out.
I don't
Yeah.
know.
Okay, it's starting. In the
What
center.
experience? I want to experience. Thai, I think. Yo, what happened? Yo,
You raised my weapon. You share it this time. Give me a gun.
that,
Good at the gun.
that's my.
Give me a gun. Please. Just last time.
No,
Someone was there.
it's my gun. So no.
You know, guys. Yung babae. Yung may Ako na naman yung first na matay. Ay, hindi ko. Ako ito, guys. Spam dyan party marunong. Yeah. Lumabas na siya. Hindi marunong na siya. Don't kill me. Just want some
Bro, it almost took me.
Go, di, dyan. Come on. Go, what is yan? Go, Jillian. Dahil mo.
Yo, yo, let's go.
Go, Jillian mo.
Yo,
Oo.
sir.
Ano, malapit na maging 6. Titigilan ko daw to kapag 6. Kainis.
Let's go. What happened, bro? What?
Yeah. Also, like, you smell bad.
What?
Mahal naman ng seat.
Nabalelo ba? Nakain na natin ba? Hindi sila.
Innocent.
Let me just give me a moment. Wow. Ay, come here. Hola, Jenny. I
What?
have a strawberry. Ah! Stay away from me, brother. Buti naman.
Who's the bird?
This is a best one. Who's mad?
Who's the bird?
Hello. I hid inside a cabinet.
Um,
Right here. Oh. Oh, you have chat?
Bruh. Where's the bird? Oh, where's the bird?
I see you.
Yo. I saw.
Wait.
Yo, that's the
Wait.
killer. That's the killer. That's the killer. Yo, I knew it.
I'm scared of the orange.
Guys, that's the bird. That's the bird.
Orange girl, are you coming after me?
That's the bird. Get out of there. That's the bird. That's the bird.
Bro didn't even see me.
Lol. Why bro camping? Why bro camping? Why bro camping? Why is bro camping? Oh,
Yeah,
heaven.
that.
Who's the sheriff?
She's not coming, okay?
Guys, help. She's
Bro,
gone.
nothing.
Meow.
Just die already, Julian.
Where's the gun? I
Bro,
Yo,
they
yeah.
have the gun. She have the gun.
Where's the gun?
Oh!
Yo,
Yo, get out of there.
yo. Tulong.
Camper.
Bro.
That's
Bro.
up.
What?
Bro, shut up.
What? What? Okay, that looks like I'm almost 6-7 level. 6-7
What's up?
times up.
What did you pick? Apple.
That's
It's equal. Yeah. Can I buy one more?
broken. Story D. What is?
Toy B.
No, it's not Toy D. It's Shibao. It's Sibao.
Tabaw. Ay.
Shibao.
Open the door.
Siopaw. Oh, siopaw.
Siya. May anak ka sa school. Si Antena, diba? Antena?
Who's the
Friend ko
man?
na. Ginagamit ko ng ano.
I think the bird is here.
Why you keep running? Yun yan, so lagi, brother.
Where's the bird? Where's the gun? I need it. I have a bad feeling.
How did you get there? Let's go to the scanning area. Yeah, don't go there.
Yo, who keeps shooting the gun? Okay, me first.
That girl, yellow hair is the mermaid baby. Yeah, just run.
Your turn.
My turn.
Who keeps shooting the gun? Who is the murd?
Yeah,
I
it's
don't-
gonna be times up in this one.
Who's the murd, bro?
My mom to open it louder. What? I am gonna teleport!
Where's the murd?
Oh, the stars died.
Oh, where's the... Where...
The yellow-haired girl. Yellow-haired girl with the green glitch hair.
What do you mean? Yo, okay, thanks. And
It's the liar! Ha? Yung babae na yellow hair. Ito, yellow-haired girl. The yellow girl hair. The yellow girl hair.
Okay. I get it.
The girl with the yellow hair.
Okay. Yo!
Ah, you just saw her. You just passed her. For me.
Where's the gun? Where's the gun?
Oh, maybe that girl get that. Did you get the gun?
No.
I did not. Okay.
Yo!
Diane, what the hell are you? That's
Bro, what?
AFK
What?
kasi. Yeah. Bakit bawal? Nari.
Yo, I'm
Geng.
level 68.
Geng.
I am Kurumi. What? Ano? Hotel.
Ma! Ano ma? Dabir! Yeah, I'm getting out. You're not gonna get out there. We don't care. Oh, we're just teleport.
Innocent.
Get me back for the first time, Gabe!
Bro, what?
Just give me merd!
Bro, ano
Bro.
siya sabi mo?
Bro, you're the killer! That's the killer!
Yo!
I know you.
Yo!
Will you kill me?
Oh my god! Yo! Camper!
Camper.
Wait.
Here?
Oh.
Guys, it's clear! Ito yung ano rin. This is the sheriff.
The murd is hiding. The murd is hiding. And
Yeah, I'm gonna report the... all. The murder is in the secret base.
ba't di ko masabi? Where my nagbuwa?
Ano rin na sa phone mo?
Bilis mag-shoot ka!
Ayun kasi.
Guys, I hope you guys are quality murder.
Bro,
We're gonna go to Bali Lubao.
I'm gonna report you.
Okay, bye-bye.